Welcome to the final episode of Season 1 Model Airport Reviews, where today you will be seeing the highlights of Part 1, 2, and 3 of the grand finale. Let's get to it. Let's start by introducing the 5 airports that were competing. The 5 airports competing in the grand finale were Atlantic Coast Airport, Hilton Head Island Airport, Lviv Danilo Halyksy Airport, Minsk National Airport, and Snow Peak Airport. Here is the bracket that I made where we had Hilton Head Airport taking on Atlantic Coast Airport, and you guys decided that Atlantic Coast Airport would move on to the semifinal round. Here we have the bracket now, as we have the semifinal matchups, in which we would now have Snow Peak Airport taking on Minsk National Airport, which you guys voted for Snow Peak Airport to move on to the grand finale finals. There were 2 other airports that were competing in the semifinal matchup, which was Lviv Danilo Halyksy and Atlantic Coast, and you guys voted for yet again Atlantic Coast Airport to move on to the grand finale finals. Here we have the bracket now with these 2 airports competing, and there I'm going to give a shout out once again to UV Studios Official for making both Atlantic Coast Airport and Snow Peak Airport. Congratulations to both airports making it to the grand finale. The reason I did a Google form is because I want it to be more intense and make it more of like a surprise. It's finally time. The winner of Season 1 Grand Finale Finals is Atlantic Coast Airport. Congratulations, this airport was very detailed and amazing. I loved how it lit up, I love the detail, and you have an amazing airport. Thank you all for watching Season 1 of Model Airport Reviews, and Season 2 Google Form will release on December 27th. Peace.